The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 6 a.m. MBD Saturday. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Timing: light to moderate snow will continue this morning across Phillips, northern and western Valley and western Garfield counties. Further eastward, rain will change to snow over the remainder of Valley and Garfield counties by the afternoon. The snow will be heavy at times as well. Strong northwest winds will develop this morning with blizzard conditions through late tonight. The snow will diminish early Saturday morning. Winds / visibility: northwest winds 20 to 40 miles per hour are expected with near zero visibility, likely in snow and blowing snow. Snow accumulations: higher terrain areas like the Little Rocky Mountains and the Alpine, Loring and Whitewater areas could receive 9 to 12 inches of snow. Lesser amounts of 3 to 6 inches are expected in the lower elevations of Phillips, Valley and Garfield counties. Other impacts: snow will start as wet and slushy this morning. This snow is expected to freeze on area roads by this evening, making for very slippery conditions. Livestock could become stranded for a few days. Strong winds could cause tree limbs and power lines to snap, leading to power outages.